So in our previous video we looked at the if statement. So in this one we are going to be looking at the switch statement, which is sometimes it can be used to instead of the if statement we can use switch statement. So there are certain cases that you may want to use the if statement, or you may want to use the switch statement instead of the if statement. So let's take, for instance, we are writing a code to find out which day is today. Let's say which day, a day of a week. So which day is today? We can easily do that by using the if else ladder block, which is like this. Let's try to do this. So let's declare a variable here of int. Let's say day. So day, I'm going to set it to 2, just a number. So since we know we have 7 days in a week, from starting from Sunday up to Saturday, right? So the first day is going to be 1, which is Sunday, and then second is going to be Monday. So to find out which day is today, we can use if. So if day equals 1, so let's use let's declare another variable here. So I'm going to declare a string variable to hold the day. So I'm just going to say day string, and then leave it like this. So day string is equals, since we know the first day is Sunday, so it's going to be Sunday here. So we can then we use the else if day equals 2. So we know that the second day is Monday, so let's set the day string to Monday. Like that. So again we can use else if day equals 3. So day string equals Tuesday. Then again else if day equals 4. Then day string is going to be Wednesday. Then again else if day equals 6, it's going to be Thursday. Equals Thursday. There's R here. Sorry, not Thursday. So else if, then the last one we can actually use the else. So else, okay, sorry, this is supposed to be 5. So else if day over here is 6, so day string is going to be Friday. So then finally the else, day string is going to be Saturday. So this is it. So now let's try to print out the day string. System.out.println. So today is day string. So let's run this. And here we have today is Monday, because Monday is the second day over here, because we said day to 2 and it starts from Sunday. So Sunday is the first day, and then the second day is going to be Monday. So here from our condition, day string is Monday, so today is Monday. So we can also change this. Let's change this to 7, the last day. So let's run this again. And we got today is Saturday, because Saturday is the last day in a week. So now this is actually the else if ladder block. So this code looks somehow, I don't know. So there's actually an easy way of doing this, and more efficient way of doing this one is to use the switch statement. So let me show you how it is. So what I'm going to do is just to delete this all. So this is how switch statement works. We use the switch keyword, then inside here we're not actually specifying a condition, we're going to give it the value it is going to check. So which value do we want to check? So we want to check the day variable, so we want to check day. So with the switch statement actually allows us to specify as many cases as we want. So in each case we'll have a block that is going to be executed. So if your case is true, then do something, right? So what I'm going to do is to define a case. So we use the case keyword, then followed by your case. So if case 1, so that's if our variable day is 1. So this is what we want to do. We want to assign day string to Sunday, since it's the first day in the week, right? And then also we use the break keyword. So what is this break keyword and what does it do? The break keyword actually jumps out of a switch statement or loop. We often use it in a loop. So it is used to break out of something. It's just like we're saying, so if this case is 1, we set this day string to Sunday and then break out of this switch statement. We're going to see, we're going to explain this break keyword. I think it will be in the next tutorial, in the next video, because we're going to be looking at loops. And loops, it's the break keyword is often used in a loop. So then here we can specify the other case here. So case 2. So if today is 2, if the day variable is 2, so day string we set it to Monday. So then we use the break keyword again, then specify another case 3. So day string equals Tuesday, and then break again. Always do not forget about the break keyword. So day string equals Wednesday, break again. Case 5 is going to be Thursday. So Thursday, like that. Break again. Then case 6, so day string is going to be Friday. Then break again. So let me use case 7, which is the last day. Is going to be what is it? Saturday, right? Saturday. Is it like that? This is how to spell Saturday. Also, so these are our cases here. So let me explain this again. We use the switch keyword, and then here we specify what value we want to check. So this is the value we want to check, the day variable. So we're using the day variable. So case 1, so it means if this day variable is 1, so here is what we want to do: assign this string to Sunday and then break out of it. and then case 2 Monday, case 3, and so on up to case 7. So now you can see we have an error here. It is showing that variable day string may not have been initialized. Well, that is true, because here we did not initialize the variable here, and we are using it inside a block, so it is not declared. So we're going to have to assign this variable to a value to initialize it to get a read out of that error. So I'm just going to equals and then set it to empty string like that. So as you can see, our error has now disappeared. So let me run this and see what we have. So as you can see, we got today is Saturday, because Saturday is 7 and our day has been set to 7. So actually here there is we have the default keyword. So instead here I can replace this with default, and what default does I'm going to tell you. So let me run this again and see what we have here before I explain what default does. And you see again we have today is Saturday. Do you see it? Let me open it again. We got today is Saturday. So what this default block does, the default keyword is we use it in the switch statement. So if neither of these cases are true, so if all of the above cases are not true, then the default block will get executed. It's just like this is something you want to do by default. So if the other cases are not true, so if the other cases are not true, so this is our default here. So, and also you can, as long as you have this your semicolon, you can actually bring this break off here. So to save some lines of code, you can bring it off here, but actually it is better to use it like this because it is more readable, like this. So here I've shown you an example of this switch statement. So as you can see, instead of writing from our previous example, we use if else statement. So this is actually another case we can use the switch statement. Sometimes it is better to use the switch statement, and sometimes it is better to use the if statement. It depends on what you want to do. So that's it for the switch statement. So I'll see you in the next video, the next one. Wow, it's going to be amazing. Can't wait to see you. Don't miss it out, please. So I'll see you in the next one. I'll also do subscribe and like this video if you like it. It's the only way to know that it's the only way I can know that I'm really helping you guys and you guys are enjoying this. So appreciate my hard work by liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.